Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to write pop-up on Visual Builder in Divi theme in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Visual Builder and then you see pop-up. So we are going to hide on Visual Builder only by using CSS. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Divi and then you see theme option, so click on it. Now Divi theme option open and we are in general tab. Scroll down. Now you see custom CSS. Now we are going to add CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see class dot et-fb-root-ancestor and this is our ID of our pop-up. So you can add class or ID name for pop-up according to your requirement. So our ID for pop-up is loginpopup and then you see visibility hidden important. So just add this and you can replace loginpopup with your class or ID and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section and this CSS will hide pop-up on Visual Builder and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to page. So we are in Visual Builder live. Now refresh the page. Now you see pop-up hide on Visual Builder by adding CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.